Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today I am gonna play with my slime. And you can see I only have a little piece in my hand right here. I don't know if you're gonna see it. I already do. And the slime is super sticky.
It's a Squishmallow.
Yes. And
it's a premium cloud slime.
It's a axolotl, and we're gonna put all these decorations and stuff in.
Ooh.
So let's get to it.
Yeah.
First up is this.
I will open that for you.
And this might take a second. Okay, now let's add this.
She's adding the sprinkles to her slime. You gotta squish it in.
So after you add it, I'm going to put this down on my little axolotl right here. Now I'm going to squish it.
Yeah, fold it in. Let me take the paper.
Squish it in.
Keep squishing it.
And squishing it until it gets everywhere in the slime.
Here, pick it up off the table. Wait a minute, honey.
And that's
Wait,
how
yeah. Wait a minute.
you use slime if you don't have instructions. And that's how you use slime if you don't have instructions, like we don't. But I already knew how to use it if I
Pressing real hard.
because I used to watch videos of people making slime, so I know. I remember.
Here, want me to help you squash that first?
And
Here. Because it's all over your hands. You need muscle power. See, with the palm of your hand. Uh-oh, go wash your hands because they're on the chair.
So I just had to wash my hands really quick because I didn't have the muscles for it. So Bob's gonna do it, and I hope that works. And this is my first slime ever. So this is my first slime ever.
That looks so neat.
And next I'm gonna add this. It's on.
Do you want to add your other packet?
Yeah. Can tell. Still on the tom in there.
Yeah, I gotta spread it so we can put this stuff,
So,
more sprinkles on it.
Here's the little tommy. I'm gonna put it right in the middle.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna sprinkle it all around. So, and sprinkle it on there. I
Okay.
sprinkled it on the tom.
Want me to use my muscles?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
And you can see the tom a little.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
And you can
We'll fold that in.
of see the tom. And now we're gonna fold it in.
Yeah. You're gonna use the palm of your hand, huh?
Everything's in.
Let's pick up the rest of these.
Squishy. It might get stuck with this.
No, he's right there.
So, I'm just gonna get this out. It's not working. This is a lot of fun, and now I'm gonna put my tom in. right down there. I'm
Ooh.
gonna squish it
And you're gonna
in.
hide that Squishmallow, huh?
Yeah, because after when I do it, it's in.
Ooh, look at how sticky. Ew.
I think I'm gonna stop once the video ends because this is so sticky.
It is
and I'm also
sticky.
gonna wash my hands.
Yeah.
This is too sticky. This is very enjoyable and sticky. Too sticky maybe. I like this toy. And I got this toy because there's no other toy that I wanted. Thanks for watching. Bye!